PHW second year. Now I am going to explain about positions. ST is an important part of the treatment. This is ordered by medical officers. Positions. There are 11 positions: supine, prone, lateral, Sims position, reverse, Trendelenburg position, Trendelenburg position, lithotomy position, knee chest position, orthopenic position, Fowler's high position, that is should be 60 degrees to 90 degrees, and Fowler's position should be 30 degrees to 90 degrees, and semi-Fowler's position should be 30 degrees to 45 degrees. Now we'll use position. See, use it to administer the drugs and relaxation of patients, and it is used in heart surgery of the patient. And anybody have prone position? It is help to do the pressure point surgery and massage to the patient. This is lateral position. This is used to prevent the pressure sores and to sleeping the patients and relaxation. The Sims position is used to enemas and rectal suppository. This is Fowler position. This should be in the 30 degrees to 90 degrees. It improve the breathing. Breathing used in feeding to the cardiac patient. This should be in the 60 degrees to 90 degrees. It is used to post-antinatal surgeries and reduces aspiration risk.
These are like it is the positions we have to give according. The main reason to give the administrator perform the position is to maintain the in order to give the proper comfortable position to the patient. So why we are changing the position in order to make the patient in the convenient. Understanding us in order to make the patient comfortable. So we have discussed what are the types of positions we have discussed now.
Supine position, Fowler position, prone position, lateral position, high Fowler position, semi-Fowler.
So in the types of positions, Master?
The three types of Fowler position, high Fowler position, Fowler position, and semi-Fowler position.
So what is the important here? So how many degrees at high Fowler, how many degrees we will keep?
60 to 90 degrees.
Understanding? So the main positions, like these are the positions we have to perform according to the needs of the patient. Okay, some positions, for example, Fowler's position or semi-Fowler's position, Fowler positions. For example, after having the diet. Understanding girls? So what is the importance of Trendelenburg girls? See here, why this patient is this way? Why this patient is doing any kind of procedure in the head. For example, or else we are keeping the ICP. What is ICP? It is a cannula. It is a cannulation we are keeping inside the neck region, the jugular vein. So for that reason, we are keeping the patient head down. So if at all we are doing any kind of procedure, we are making the patient to head down. That is Trendelenburg position. It is a sitting position. If at all we are doing any kind of procedure in the lungs, like a respiratory system, or else any kind of drips we are doing, any procedure we are doing, at that time we are making to sit in the this orthopedic position. Understanding us? For example, the procedure is called as pleural effusion, or else it is like at all the patient is having any kind of fluid in the lungs. At that time we are making the patient to sit in the sitting position. We are making the patient to lie on the pillows on the cardiac table, and at that time we are inserting at the how many which rib girl? See here we have to calculate. Here we are having the fifth rib. Understanding? So that we have to the patient at that time we are injecting the tube. Bring the tube, chest drainage, removing the fluid from the lungs. At that time this is called as chest drainage tube. What is this? Chest drainage tube. We are making the patient to sit in the comfortable position. We are making the patient in the fifth rib. At that time here we are injecting. Here we are giving the injection in order to make the patient numb. At that time what will happen girls? We are injecting this tube. We are inserting this tube. This is the pointed structure. Understanding the pointed structure. What we are doing is we are injecting into the, we are inserting into the rib cage. Whatever the fluid will be there, it will be drained out. After that we are taking the sample. So